megalayapost.news
Ka dorbar mang tengka balabu por posngi jong kaying dorbar thawan ka jela jong usnem aja arpusan kelas dang mentaka sngi daga jing simenta ki MLA ulat ka jela rengkat ulampang ubolong usong konor jong anega sngi ban sedang ya ka dorbar mang tengka hakini ki posngi lai sngi labu ban yathir ne yakren haki banta baper jong ki business balawan ra daga sarkar bat ki MLA simet bat umentri rangba ka jela uban simenta hakasantrik ulber arja arpusan banwanra ya ka mang tengka jong ka sarkar jela Nakaliang ka sarkar jela lakmilinti makan wan raru yaki bill baper jongka Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Felicitation Bill aja opsan ka Meghalaya Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act aja apunreu ka Meghalaya Goods and Service Tax Amendment Bill aja opsan nalor kiwe de kane ka mang tengka ka balasdang mentakasngi lasdang daga jingkren lamprang ulat ka jela u CCH Wijaya Shankar bat kane ka dorbar mang tengka kan kod hakhalai tarik ulber aja opsan
Noi kubli ya fi baroha nosimong piklon namgipa salamko one chengoska introducing innovative initiatives like CM Connect and Hello Meghalaya. These efforts have leveraged technology to help put Meghalaya's vibrant culture heritage in the spotlight and ensure effective governance of our citizens. Improvement in sectors like roads, power, water supply, investment promotion, IT, tourism and agriculture will drive the economic growth in the state. Intervention in the field of healthcare, education, livelihood generation, social security and citizen-centric governance will ensure holistic welfare of every citizen. As written speech is already placed on the table of the House. So most of the points are already in front of the honorable members. So I request all the honorable members to consider it as deemed read. Honorable members, I highlighted some of the many achievements of the state government over the last year. These achievements have been possible through collaborative model and development involving all the stakeholders. I will now conclude my address with the hope that the points I have raised will be deliberated upon by the August House. Kuble, Mitela, Jai Hind, thanks to all of you.
megalayapost.news